Now we study the basic rules and condition of buy mutual. The rule number one is buy mutual will be valid when the payment date is fixed and agreed upon. As its name suggests that buy module mean the payment will be deferred and the payment date will be set in advance in the contract of the buy module, and the date will be mentioned like this: a date, for example 1st December 2021, like time of 3 months. When it expired, the payment must be insured. C, but it cannot be fixed as an event which is uncertain. Mean the time cannot be uh, set as an event that is uncertain, like on my marriage, like on the birth of my first child, like so on and so forth. The second condition for the buy module is the deferred price can be greater than the spot price or fixed price, but it must be settled at the time of sales. Once the price is fixed, it cannot be changed, increase. Mean that the deferred price may be higher than the spot price, and but it must be fixed at the time of agreement or at the time of the supplying the commodity to the buyer. It cannot be changed in any case, but in following case it can be changed, like late payment. Mean if the buyer is buyer doesn't uh, pay the money at the right time, if with its stipulated time period, then he can be penalized. And what will be the form of the penalty? In case to pressurize the buyer may be asked to promise at the time of sale that in case of late payment, he will denote a certain sum of charity. Mean that it will be agreed upon in the agreement that if buyer doesn't fulfill the agreement, the payment according to the time of agreement, he will contribute something in the form of charity to the seller. Number three, if the sale is agreed upon installment, then the buyer may compel to agreed upon full payment in case of missing any installment. It means that if buyer is opting for not for lump sum payment, for the payment through installment, then missing any installment can can ask the buyer to pay the full money, but that must be mentioned in the agreement at the time of bimodal uh, contract. Number four, in order to secure the payment, the seller may ask the buyer to deposit any security. Meaning that if the mediator is bank, then bank will ask the buyer to pledge something or deposit a security in the bank. In case of non-payment, in case of unable to pay the money in the stipulated time, then bank will utilize that pledged assets. Number five, the seller may ask the buyer to issue him a promissory note. Of course, that's this the seller or the bank may ask the buyer to deposit the cross checks in advance or any other type of promissory note, but that promissory note cannot be traded in the market. That the bank cannot use the promissory notes or these checks for further payments. Rule number six, the item on the sale must be owned and possessed by the seller. Mean that in buy module, the commodity or the good which is to be sold must be owned and possessed by the seller. Number seven, the seller is authorized to hold some property of the purchaser in mortgage. Of course, he is authorized to mortgage something. Number eight, the possession of the good must be transferred a spot time by the seller, otherwise the buy module will not be valid. It means that the commodity must be supplied in spot time and the payment will be paid in deferred time according to the agreed stipulated time in the buy module contract. If the good is not supplied in the spot time and the seller asks the buyer that he will supply the good when you will pay the money, it will not be a void, it will not be a valid buy module contract, and the buy module contract become void. uh, Now we have discussed in depth the buy module. Now we discuss some differences between the buy murahaba and the buy module. Both buy murahaba and buy module are the sale agreement. By its name, the buy murahaba mean sale agreement with profit. Buy module means sale agreement with deferred payments. By murahaba, the seller must show the cost of the production and the rate of the profit charged from the buyer, but in buy muajjal, it is not necessary that seller will show the cost of the production and the rate of the profit he is charging from the buyer. Again, buy murahaba mean the sale agreement with profit, but in case of buying module, it is not necessary that the seller earn profit from the buyer. In buy murahaba, the contract can be at spot payments, mean that the good is provided in the spot payment, and the payment is also done in the spot time in cash, while it can also, the buyer can also defer the payments, but will pay in the agreed time. In case of buy module, the buyer cannot pay the payment in the spot time. The payment will always be deferred. These were the basics differences between the buy murahaba and buy module. This was the end of the buy module. Inshallah, in the next class, we will discuss the concept of ijara, mean leasing, what is leasing. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.